Welcome everyone again to the Baguette Investor channel. Hope you're all doing well. So I thought about doing another video about this screener. I know you're hearing me speaking a lot about screener on this channel, but I think it's very important, at least for me in my trading routine. I use my screener every time. So I thought today we could learn to not program, but create a moving average screener. So as you can see on my graph, I have my moving averages plotted on my Bitcoin chart. So it's Premium Liquid Index. And when you're doing a moving average strategy, most of the time you're just looking for the short-term moving average being above the longer-term moving average. I hope you all understand what I'm saying. If you don't understand, that's not a problem. Just learn a little bit about the moving average strategies. I will do videos about it. You can subscribe to the channel if you want to watch the other tutorials that will come. I will make them, don't worry. But right now we're going to focus on creating a screener about a moving average strategy. So let's get to it. Go to the bottom left of your screen, select the crypto screener with the little arrow. Remember, if you're on the stock, click on the crypto screener. That otherwise you're going to screen stocks and not cryptocurrencies. That's not what we want. Now you arrive at that thing. So you have all the things the screener plots to you in that area. Right now we have 7,295 matches, and we want to reduce that. So we are going to go to this here, which is the preset for filters. And if you go all the way down, you can find outperforming standard moving average 50, SMA 50. That means that the price of the asset, if you click on it, all the pairs are going to have their price above the 50 moving average. And as you can see, it plots simple moving average 50 period below last price. Remember, it says 50. It's 50 period. You can select the period right here. Time interval. You can search on the weekly, daily, 4 hour, anything you want. If you're a day trader, a swing trader, or investor, I don't care. It's useful for everyone. But we can do even better. We could remove that, search for exponential moving averages. And right now we can play with the moving averages. So for example, I could tell my screener that I want my 20 period exponential moving average being above my 50 period exponential moving average. And I could add even more to that. I could tell my 50 exponential moving average to be above my 100 exponential moving average. That's right. In that way, we have all the pairs that have those criteria, but we have 3,000 matches because we have all kinds of pairs. We have the BTC, the ETH pairs, the USD, the USDT pairs, and we don't want that. So remember, every screener you're doing, search by the exchange you're trading. If you're only trading on 1 or 2 or 3 like me, you can search one by one or all of them. I suppose most of you will be trading either on Binance or I don't know, maybe Huobi or something like that. Right now we're going to try on Binance. So go type exchange, filter Binance, the exchange you're trading. And if you're looking for the BTC pairs, just type BTC and you're going to have the BTC pairs that are going to be displayed here. And if you're trading the USDT pairs, type USDT and it's going to display only the USDT pairs. Isn't that great? That's it. That's all you need to do. We in the future are going to teach you more criteria to determine what you could use to determine what's good for a buy, what's good for a sell. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a like. That would help me a lot. If you know someone who wants to use a screener but doesn't know how to use it, you can send them this video. Maybe they never heard about the TradingView screener. And you can also follow me on Twitter, where I publish my trades daily. You know, right now I got a little profits on T-Fuel trade, which was very nice. So thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.